get into the presentation though, I want to explain why I'm starting today with a GIF of a sad dog. And the reason I'm doing that is because I am a little sad, I am a little upset. I've worked in this industry for just under 9 years now. And when I started way back when, we were buying links, we were spamming the web, we were churning out irrelevant content just for the sake of links. Then thankfully a few years went by and digital PR became the new norm and it became the thing that the industry adopted. So now we run campaigns that we don't need to buy links for. We run campaigns that get us into the national publications, get us into international publications, get us into some high authority domains. The challenge I face now is that everybody is doing that, but people are still pummeling out irrelevant content. We're just using digital PR methods as a way to amplify it. Let me explain this further.